Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. Today we're doing a review video on a compact toilet safety rail that was sent to us by Vive Health, which I have here with me. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube so you can stay up to date when we bring out new videos. Like us on Facebook and Instagram, and be sure to check us out at aecorner.com. So let's get started. Okay, so this safety rail will mount directly to the back of your toilet. So this is the mounting bracket right back here, and the front of the handles will actually rest on the front of the toilet bowl. This safety rail holds up to 300 pounds. The distance between the rails adjusts from 17 inches to 20 inches, and that's going to take place back here where these little screws are. You can take these out, push the rails in, or pull the rails out to adjust them in width right here. It also is very easy to assemble, and it actually fits any toilet. I think it took me about 15 minutes, actually 10 to 15 minutes, read directions and put this together. So now we're going to go ahead and put this on the toilet. So like I said, it goes under your existing, or it mounts to your existing bowl. So what you do, I went ahead and loosened up this toilet seat, so we're going to take that off. Okay, and then we're going to put this on the back of the toilet bowl. And when you put this back here, you just want to make sure that this frame is right down there and you're lining up the holes. You're going to use the existing hardware that you have to place this back on the toilet. So we're going to put the lid back on, and we are going to line this up right here. Okay, there we go. So we're going to put this back on and cinch it down here with the existing hardware. So now I've got this back mounted onto the toilet. It feels very firm. I like how it sits on there. I like how it cinches down. It seems like it's going to be very stable. Now, of course, whenever we use these, we never recommend that anyone put their full weight on one side or the other. You want to try to keep even weight when you're pressing up from getting off the toilet. But this is a nice width. It's very stable as I put my weight on my arms to sit down on the toilet. If I had had a surgery or something like that and I have one leg that I'm not able to use, a lot of times with total hips or total knees, you've got to put that leg out for a while and not bear a lot of weight on it. This is very sturdy here for me just to push myself up into standing. Like I said, I like how it mounts on the toilet. It really didn't take that long to put on. I feel like it's a very sturdy product, a very safe product. So I certainly would recommend this compact toilet safety rail by Vive Health. So check out the comments below for more specifications on this product and a link to it. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.